I'm gonna be pressed, yes, for a while, okay? My angel's talking, I'm listening. What's up? Fingers looking cute, feet looking cute, okay? Yes. Round two. And I'm sitting here late for class, like, and I'm pumping gas. What the fuck? All in my way. All right, time to go walk off some of this big back. You know what, Tanima? Come on, let's keep that discipline. Even when we not motivated, let's keep that discipline, okay? Enjoying my life while fulfilling my purpose. Clock that, clock that.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't about the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Just the Lord myself, I'm realizing that things are not happening the way I want them to. They're happening the way God needs them to happen in order for me to understand what is a part of my journey, what is for me, what's not for me. Right. So it's just a battle.
I'm at Sally's right now, if you can see. I'm at Sally's. I'm about to go in here. I woke up this morning. I wanted to do my nails and stuff. I really wanted to do them yesterday, but I never went and got the stuff for it because I could have sworn I had the nail glue and already some press-ons. I don't know where they at. I keep looking for them and I have yet to find them. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go get a new glue and just get some different press-ons. So yeah, I'm at Sally's right now. That's what I'm about to do. It's a lot. I don't know why I woke up wanting to do all these things this morning. I got class at 12. Mind you, it's like 10:10 right now, close to 10:15. So yeah, I want to do some press-ons. I think I just want to do some press-ons because I got my feet done. Feet feeling sexy. I'm like, okay, let's get the nails a little right. I'm officially a press-on girly now. I don't know, getting my nails done is just not fun for me. Maybe when I find a nail tech or something, maybe it will be, but as of now, I don't know. I just can't sit there. That's what I'm about to do. I already went to the hair store too because I needed to get some more black soap and I got some oil for my hair, but yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Go on Saturdays. I'm sitting here rambling. I wanted to go ahead and start a vlog because I haven't been in the mood to vlog. I was been supposed to post like yesterday, Thursday or Wednesday. Today is Friday, so I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead and get back in my duffel. So I just had to motivate myself. I just motivated myself by you know, just watching my videos, getting back inspired by myself. But yeah, we back in that bag. I just got back from Sally's and I bought these French tips with a new thing of glue. New thing of glue. Oh, this the old one. Hold up. A new thing of glue. That's what I got from the hair store, the black soap and the oil. But this is the Beauty Secret glue and the nails I just bought from the hair store. Tell me why I just went under the bathroom sink to get my nail clipper to do my nails. Why did I end up finding the nails? And I actually wanted these exact ones because I love the little oval shape on my nails. But these are the press-ons I used to wear, like when I first started wearing press-ons, but a little longer. These short, thankfully. I literally didn't even have to buy no glue, none of that, and I did. Like, what the world? But at least I found it. At least I'm gonna be pressed, yes, for a while, okay? Period. Yeah, I need to go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna do my press-ons probably after I get out the shower and stuff and get ready for class. Like after I get dressed and stuff, or either I might do them at the class. I don't know, but I really need to go ahead and go. What the world is my campus doing? It seems to be doing something. Always. Back at Merrick. Y'all, I just got out of class. Hopefully y'all can hear me because I got my headphones on. I just got out of class. I was like 30 minutes late. I was only there for like 20 minutes, but at least I showed up. Better me showing up than not. But I'm walking back to my car now. I'm low-key kind of nervous to put my phone up. I'm acting like I don't ever vlog on campus. But, yeah. Honey, my angel's been communicating with me all day. My angel's talking, I'm listening. What's up?
When I be at his house, so I need to go to my home and go to...
Giving. Fingers looking cute, feet looking cute, okay? Yes.
And it's like, if the vision was never for me, then why did it come to me in the beginning? You know? So I just like take hold of it. And when you like put effort and faith in that one vision and it comes to life, it's like, oh, probably might do this to the rest 50 visions I've got, and they just keep coming to life.
I be prepared because I talk to you a lot. The first time you used perplexity, you said leg. What the hell does that mean? Did she just call me the N-word? I didn't know what it meant. But the next time you got mad at me when you said perplexed, I said, yeah, I had you perplexed.
About to kick his ass in this Uno. He not ready for it. He not ready for this good ass whooping that he about to get.
I mean, that's great.
Round two. My bun all over the place. It's raining. Like, what in the world? But thankfully, I just got out of my 2-hour class. Jesus. My hair is looking kind of crazy. I'm about to go home, stuff my face, eat because I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna just go home, chill for the day, do some straightening up. Y'all, I'm at the park right now. I'm about to do a little outfit of the day because I was about to leave, but I was like, let me get a little content, a little video. So let's do a little outfit of the day. Jacket is thrift. I'm gonna go ahead and say because it's kind of far away and it's kind of loud out here. The jacket thrifted. My skirt is from TJ Maxx. The belt from Amazon. Shoes, I think from Target. Little Birkenstocks right here, little slides, whatever. But yeah, accessories by Mohan. Right now I'm at the gas station and I'm sitting here late for class, like, and I'm pumping gas. What the fuck? Really, bitch. If somebody take my phone, it's gonna be a problem.
When you're black, you're never really lonely because there will always be a white person all up in your business.
All in my way.
It's perspective. Think of it as expansion, not limit. It's not limiting you. You were just expanding.
Class start in like 4-5 minutes, and I'm sitting here grubbing. Mind you, I still gotta walk probably about. I was able to get a little closer today because they got my other little parking spot blocked off. I probably still gotta walk about 7-8 minutes. So. Mike's Vegan Grill. Yes. Oh, so good. I was fine. I ain't eat nothing all day. All I had was water and tea. Oh, thank God. I'm gonna save the rest of it for when I get back. All right. Time to go walk off some of this big back. I just got back in the house from getting some content and being done with classes and just eating and stuff. It's so hot outside. The weather don't know if it want to be humid or what. Let me turn my chakra frequency down a little. Hold up. The weather, don't know if it want to rain, the sun to come out. It had already drizzled today and the sun keep coming in and out. Then it get cloudy, the sun come out. I don't know. And make sure I get my content. I wasn't gonna get it today, but I'm like, you know what, Tanima, come on, let's keep that discipline. Even when we not motivated, let's keep that discipline, okay? Thankfully. And I kept that discipline. I'm gonna start posting my Instagram reels more and just getting back. I'm just trying to figure out really, I don't know what I want to do with Instagram. I did used to like Instagram, but I don't know. I guess I just don't have an app anymore. I think I'm just here with the Tubi. Like, I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and insert the little TikTok. Make sure y'all following me on my socials. Linktree is in the bio or link description, whatever it's got. I don't know, bio, whatever. Outfit of the day. I'm done with classes. Top, TJ Maxx. White top, Amazon. Hat, boyfriend closet. Skirt, TJ Maxx. Shoes, Cortez's. Socks, Amazon. And yes, this is today's look. I didn't redid this a couple times because the sun kept going in and out. I don't know if it's fall or is it still summer. Let me know, Mother Nature, just let me know. But today's look, glowing in teens. Yeah, now it's hot. When I last popped in the vlog, I was literally just chilling in the house, just got done doing content. But now I'm about to head to Charlotte and I'm about to go eat and probably go to like this little museum or shop or something. I don't know, just get out the house because I'm really just trying to balance having fun and having playtime and also just being in school. So balancing that working hard and playing harder type vibe overall, because I mean, I literally just work and go to school. I want to be able to make memories in college, have memories in college, and actually just be able to look back on stuff, because I literally just go home after classes, after work. I go home every once in a while. I do go out, do things, see people, but that's literally every blue moon. Not saying that I want to be partying every weekend, but at least, you know, just make a couple memories throughout the month. I don't know. I'm not really putting a cap on it. Just make sure I'm having fun. I'm in my 20s. I want to make memories. I don't really have like dramatic memories for my 20s and stuff like that. I don't know. I just want to make memories, good times. And luckily I vlogged that, so I'll be able to go back and look at stuff. Yeah, I just want to live my 20s, be able to showcase memories, things I did, and just be able to look back and actually be fulfilled with the life I lived when I get older, and the older I get, because yeah, I'm only getting older and wiser. Yeah, overall, I just want to make sure I'm just really fulfilling my life, my purpose, and enjoying my life while also fulfilling my purpose. Yeah, enjoying my life while fulfilling my purpose. Clock that. So we about to do that. I'm so ready to eat. I can't even lie. I'm ready to eat. I got my little sippy cup, honey.
And take that motherfucking sippy cup and the Hennessy from her. She fucking drunk ass little fucking dummy little.
Mind your business. But he didn't want to get no alcohol or nothing, so I had some wine in the fridge, so I poured that in there. But yeah, and if you know, I love a little glass of wine. Love me some wine, okay? I'm fine like it. What's tea? That the sun's back out. Wow. Crazy.
Hey, thank you for not believing in me.
Yes, Lord.
Anybody listen to let nobody opinion that you determine your self-worth.
Okay?
You better turn around so you can see what you're turning down.
Right quick.
Talking about
Y'all, we keep switching because I don't like to drive in the rain. Like, I hate driving in the rain.
Maintain it. You ain't never felt pain, cause my block was...
Now you exhausted. Mashed potatoes. Yes, I'm about to smash, honey. About to smash. You dig? About to smash. Doing what I do and how I do it when I do it well. Finishing my drink and I'm about to go.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.